investors need to prepare for various economic scenarios as a result of the COVID Omicron variant. Now, this heavily mutated variant has spooked many investors, particularly during after Thanksgiving's short market session, in which the Dow recorded its first worst day since October 2020. However, the US stocks had finished high yesterday as President Biden's general comments pointed towards a broad economic recovery, and he underscored the fact that economic lockdowns currently are not necessary. However, while Joe Biden's comments make sense, and yes, there are authorities in South Africa mentioning that this variant of the coronavirus is not so dangerous, we need to be prepared for an alternative. The COVID Omicron variant may have an effect on the economy, and investors need to prepare themselves accordingly. One of the top stock picks which could be considered is Amazon. Now, this is a company that does well when people are scared to go to the mall, and it does well as more companies embrace the cloud because Amazon Web Services is indeed a dominant player in cloud infrastructure. The cloud transition will continue even if overall economic growth takes a pause. Microsoft is another top way to play a potential Omicron sparked slowdown. We know that the products sold well during the initial lockdown and they didn't let up even during subsequent reopening of the Delta variant panic. You can expect continued software upgrades at the enterprise level. You can also look at the names like Netflix, Zoom, and Alphabet to keep succeeding in this possible scenario where you can have, if not true lockdowns, but near lockdown conditions. Outside of technology, you can consider utility companies like American Electric Power, good places to be, as well as healthcare plays like United Healthcare Group. A more risky approach for investors, of course, includes home builders, which will benefit from the interest rate hike being put off at the moment if this pandemic spreads any further once again, and retailers that benefit from spending around the house. It is possible that Friday's market sell-off was as bad as investors' Omicron concerns may get, but I think there is a possibility it may go even further. And one must not forget that the cruise lines, the Royal Caribbean, the Norwegian, all this I think you should put at hold. American Express down 9% over the past 1 month is another stock to consider if the new variant doesn't matter much to the economy. If you are more risk averse, you can buy some here and then buy more once we get in the first confirmed Omicron cases in the United States. And of course, the travel stocks could sell off once again. So airline stocks could be a potential area which can get into jeopardy once again. You can also look at hotel operator Marriott in the next time the negative Omicron news causes a pullback in stocks. Apparel focused retailers like Macy's and American Eagle Outfitters should be in good shape if the US economy continues to return to something resembling normalcy. These are the stocks which can get hammered should there be any incident reporting of the Omicron cases in the United States. So keep a watch on that. So these should be some of the good stocks that you can consider should the Omicron virus begin to hold further ground across the world. Friends, if you are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to do so. And if you'd like a more detailed analysis of the day, of the week, and where the markets are headed from here, is it all down, or a good rebound is also possible? Yes, everything is possible, and everything I will tell you. Please do email me at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. It is globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. Happy investing, and here have a real nice rest of the day, and look forward to a great productive session tomorrow. Happy investing. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.